Welcome to Class Fitsugar. I'm your trainer, Ashley Joy, and today I have a workout that is all about quick movements. This is a cross-training workout that you can do to prep for your next speed run. If you need any modification, follow Michaela.
Team Michaela.
And if you're looking for high impact, check out Poopy.
I got you.
This workout is sponsored by Nike Invincible 3. So lace up and let's get ready to unleash your inner racer. Let's get started with the warm-up. We're going with arm swings. We're standing nice and tall. You're gonna push those hands all the way back past your hips, up by your face. We're running really nice and fast. There you go. We're only gonna do this for 15 seconds and then we're gonna go into hip circles. Ready? All right, hip, knee up and out. Remember, walk it back, come up and out. We're getting these arms, these legs, these hips, everything ready to have some fun. All right, now, knee hugs. Go ahead and grab the front of your shin. Bring that knee up and close to your chest, alternating. Make sure you have your balance. This is the point where you don't have to go fast, okay? This is where you make sure you're stable and we're just stretching out those hamstrings. There, good. Next up, we're gonna do one of my favorites. It's gonna be high knees. So we're incorporating all of these moves right now, right? We got those knees up, arms going, high knees, 30 seconds. Go ahead, follow Michaela for your modify.
Let's go, come on, right here. I got you.
Poopy is with me, going all out.
Oh yeah.
Now this is the warm-up, so I want you to take in all that oxygen. Let it out, we're gonna have some fun.
Oh,
Less than 10 seconds, can you believe it?
Woo, that was quick.
Yeah, exactly. It's a speed workout. 3, 2, and 1. First up we're gonna do is lateral hops, okay? So one side of your mat and you're going to push off, land. Come on, follow me, time's already going. We got 30 seconds of work and only 15 seconds of rest. Next 10 seconds, as quick as you can. Come on, Poopy, you got it. 3, 2, 1, 15 seconds of rest. Next up, we're going to do a burpee. No push-up, but we're exploding at the top. Michaela, you're not hitting anything off the ground. You're staying on the ground. You ready? We're gonna push back. Let's go. Push, jump up to the sky. What I would not want you to do is drop those hips. Stick that plank and take it to the sky. Quick. There you go. Spring off the ground. Less than 10 seconds. Walk it out if you need to take a break. 2, last one. Yes. Nice and quick, 15 seconds. Woo.
Got that heart rate up there.
Yes, we're gonna get started. Go at the end of your mat. Double feet. We're bounding, high knee reverse. Let's show them. Stick it, high knees back. Nice and quick. There it is, explode. Michaela, you're doing amazing. I know you can go quicker than that. Just because you're modifying doesn't mean it has to be slow. Be intentional. You wanna work on your speed. Push it. There it is, 2, 1, and rest. Only 15 seconds. Who's feeling it?
I'm feeling it.
Yeah.
I
We're
know
not
y'all are
talking
too.
this time because we're catching our breath. Middle of your mat. Quick feet into a jump squat. Ready? Quick. And then down, push it up. Hold it. Back to quick feet. Use those arms. Sit back and explode. There it is. Quick feet. 10 more seconds. Hold it. Explode. Let's go nice and quick. One motion. Down and up. There it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes. One more exercise. I promise. We're doing 15 seconds each leg. reverse, and drive, and hop. One leg at a time. Go ahead, step back, drive it up, and hop. Or if you're with Michaela, you're just gonna tap, and then still drive that knee. Focus. Woo, balance is there. Drive. Go ahead and switch. Take it back, and drive. Take it back. Be in sync with yourself, and focus. Give me one more. You guys, woo. You're so quiet.
Great work.
So quiet. Speed. Oh, it takes a lot of oxygen to get fast. You guys are doing good. We're having a full rest, so go ahead and grab water. And mentally, I want you to give yourself credit. It's supposed to be difficult, right?
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be easy. Getting faster takes practice and also muscle memory. So continue to do these workouts to get faster. Promise you will.
If it was easy, everyone would do it.
That part. My coach used to tell me if it doesn't challenge you, it's not going to change you.
But we're having fun.
Yeah.
Still have to have fun even though it's challenging.
But you make me feel like a superhero, actually.
You are! You're over there bounding and jumping and everything. You guys, guess what? You ready?
Gonna hop right into it,
Yeah,
right?
we're hopping right back into it.
Let's do it.
We're going into our lateral bounds, right? We're pushing off. Then go pushing off, 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Stick it. There it is, woo! Yes. If you need to, tap that toe down. Try to look at least a foot in front of you. Breathe. Exhale. Focus. Less than 10. 3. You got it. 2. Last bound. 15 seconds. All the way on the mat. Mentally get ready for these burpees. You're lucky I didn't add a push-up into it, okay?
Thank you. We appreciate you.
One fluid motion. Stick that plank. Let's go. To the sky.
Superhero time.
Yes.
Okay.
We are superheroes. We're getting fast. Over halfway. I want you to push right now. Keep going. Keep going. Yes. Poopy, let's go. All the way to the sky. 5 more seconds. Ma'am, I need you to speed it up. 2, 1, and rest. Yes.
She's coming for me.
I am.
She believes in you.
Because exactly, I was just saying, because I know you can do it.
You're right.
And you have to just prove to everyone out there who's following you, they have someone to look up to. Edge of your mat. We're bounding and reverse high knees. 2, 1, let's go. Nice and quick, Michaela, you can do this. Come on, Poofy.
Woo! Come on. I see you, Ashley.
You know it. We all can do this at your own pace. Stick it out and go. There it is, under 10. Can you believe it? Give me, whew, one more bound, one more reverse. Yes, it's time to go up and beyond. This is it, this is the last round. Fast feet into squat jumps. Deep breath in, 2, 1, fast feet, fast. There it is. Squat, explode. Back into fast feet, right there. Squat, explode. Come on, fast, fast, fast. Explode up onto those toes, Michaela. Boom, there it is. Come on, Poopy, you're doing amazing. Let's go, down, up. Less than 10 seconds, let's go. 5, squat, and up. Reach for that sky. Come on, down and up. Beautiful. Reverse lunge. Knee drive. Focus. We're using one leg at a time. Control that breath. Ready? Feet together. Step back, drive, and bound. One leg at a time, 15 seconds. Woo! Come on, we're about to switch. One more. Straight into it, step back and drive. This is it. Remember, we have to work harder this second round to match the first. 3, 2, one more for good luck. Woo! Good job, so proud of you. Yes, yes, yes. Catch your breath. Woo, that was an amazing, amazing workout. Speed, quickness, fast twitch muscles. Man, I can't even talk. You guys, tell me what was your favorite part?
I feel like it flew by. 10 minutes is easy.
I really like those
I mean, it's
bands.
not, but.
Because it made time fly by because we were flying.
Yes. All right, let's find a way to cool down. You guys want to get on the ground or stand tall?
Stand tall.
Stand tall.
Right? And be proud. Go ahead, feet underneath your hips. Deep breath in, hands above your head. 3 breaths. Let's get all that air that we deserve. In, out. Last one, in, and out. Beautiful. Let's go ahead, toe to the ceiling. Hinge, those hips back. Hello, glutes and hamstrings. Yes.
This is delicious. All that jumping.
Yeah. Deep breath in and hinge a little bit deeper. Nice. Let's go ahead and switch. Heel to the ground, toe to the sky. Push that butt back. Focus on catching your breath. Deep breath in and exhale. A little bit deeper on that exhale. Yes. Deep breath in, exhale. Amazing! Thank you so much for working out with POPSUGAR and Nike. If you guys want to work out some more, go ahead and check out our agility and speed workouts, and I will see you next time. Thank you, Poofy.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Ashley.
Michaela,
Ashley.
and thank you.